What's up, guys? Welcome back to Best Friends today. I'm just kidding. I'm here with Anri. We're gonna be cooking. You ready? Yeah. AI generated recipes.
I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. Personally, like this dude went to the store and he was just bringing a bunch of freaking ingredients. I'm like, dude, we're not making one thing.
All right, so we're both given recipes and we're gonna read them off. All right, here, you go first. Read everything.
My friend Anri is a 6'1" and handsome. However, he's a little slow in the head and goofs around. Please come up with a recipe that matches his personality. Okay, Anri's Goofy Giant Burger, it's called. A towering, handsome burger with a fun, slightly chaotic twist. Ingredients.
My friend Peter is studying environmental science. He has a goofy side too and loves food. Help me find a recipe he might enjoy. We're cooking Peter's lazy, eco-friendly quesadilla. We're gonna see whose food Anthony likes better.
I already know that.
So, let's get started. Let's go.
Eat everything. Because at MasterChef and all these other TV
Bro, stop
shows,
talking to me, bro. We're not on the same team. Don't talk to me.
Right now. So I don't know why the ingredients had to mention one egg to hold it together. Basically the entire burger together. Just like how Anri holds the group. I don't know why they had to mention that.
So you need 2 eggs. You need one in the burger and then one like on like.
Why are you talking to me?
Okay.
Alright. 1 pound. Just turn off. So much water, it didn't even dry up yet.
Hey, Mo.
Scared the crap.
I'm good. I'm actually at a currently at a food competition. Yeah.
I think my quesadillas can come together so fast. Like I feel like I'm starting too early.
Mine is gonna take forever.
Yeah, because Anri needs to make his burger, toast the patty, toast the toppings and everything. Where I just gotta make a quesadilla.
We don't
For some reason, the budget over here at the set is not very high. Who's in charge of this fucking set? Alright, I need to get a mixing bowl. The live action right here. One hand drop.
It's really close.
Not my first rodeo, you know what I'm saying? All organic, ground beef. Shout out. Bang. This is sort of like, you know, in Albania we have a traditional dish called chofte where we mix onion,
an egg, breadcrumbs, and it sort of comes out like little beef patties that you just eat. And it's completely different compared to like a burger patty. It has just a lot of onion, garlic, stuff like that.
oh, crushed crackers? Don't tell.
That's what it is.
Okay. I gotta crush these now. Wait, this is so similar to the thing I was mentioning. Can we get like a sound check? Bro, they're gonna grill me when I'm wearing gloves. But what the fuck can I do? Set doesn't have gloves.
Anthony, you like that? You like those hand germs in your burger
Those
later?
bare hands is all I need.
You know, you see how like I'm taking care of my food and like I'm gonna keep it real clean?
Yes.
Yeah, bro, sorry.
Also, Anthony, I know you're judging later. Keep an eye out for your boy, right?
So what caught my attention was this guy slid a dollar bill to the judge. And I'm like, dude, you're gonna need to roll up some more ones, brother. That is not gonna help your case.
Cameraman, can you please help me, Yo, Judge, look away, look away.
Yo, judge, they're gonna put your dirty ass force spinach onto your food.
Yeah.
Started to bust. Oh, it smells so fucking good. Oh my god, bro. I'd be worried, are you? Using that nasty, sloppy prison food over
It's
there.
not sloppy prison food.
Roll into a ball. I might have a little bit of history behind the apron. So I know what the fuck I'm doing,
Be
basically.
handling meatballs?
Yeah, I'd be handling meat. Don't clip that. I'd be handling meat.
Like I can start making it now, but like I want to wait because I want it to be hot when Anthony eats it, you know. So like I'm basically done. I gotta do is toss my beans on top, my spinach, my cheese, my avocado. That's it.
You can just eat this right now. Could bake right now. So camera lady, I heard you're a baker, right?
Yeah.
Whoa! Stop flirting with the camera woman, all right? Stop flirting with the camera woman.
What have you baked?
What's your problem?
Again, like mother F. Oh,
That is so pretty. But it's alright, guys. We have 4 tries.
okay, his burger looks good. I mean, it looks crispy. It looks a little dry. I had a taste of it. It's all right. I'm kind of worried now because I'm realizing that like I don't have any meat in this, so this might be like kind of the point where I lose. But I think I got this. This quesadilla is gonna have avocados, it's gonna have some spinach, it's gonna be good. His burger looks a little dry and overcooked.
Might have been a little bit on the overcooked side. The fucking dumbass robot telling me 4 minutes.
Why do you okay? I should get like oil on.
Oh, that shit's a little stiff. But then you enjoyed it.
You know, my friend George Washington, he thinks it's pretty bad too.
Do that right now.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Now just go there.
Yo, you guys are sick. Oh! A little uneven burning, you can tell. It should have looked like that throughout the whole way.
Why don't you put the top on it? That way it like steams. So it
We
cooks
don't have a
faster.
fucking top over here, bro.
You need a top? I'm right here. You need a top?
Yeah, I mean, I could use a top.
Me.
See, this is what you do. Like, you baste it.
Yeah. With oil, not butter.
Yep. Same difference. They're both fat. Dude, this is looking fantastic.
Yo, put that top back on.
Ooh, shut the fuck up.
Me. I'm a little worried. I know Anthony likes burgers, and I'm kind of stuck with a vegetarian quesadilla. But you know, it's okay, because I know how to cook. I know how to make it good. And yeah, you know, also he's Mexican, so he should like the quesadilla.
So, I mean, I'm not too worried about the plating. Just eat the food, and that's what it's about. The flavor's gonna be there.
Okay, Judge, today here I have presented a... hi, Judge. Today I have here presented for you, this is Peter's Lazy Eco-Friendly Quesadilla.
I know someone like you cares a lot about the environment, and I thought about my friend Peter while I was cooking this. This is a fully organic.
And hope you enjoy.
I'll start over here in the corner. All right. I like it. I like it a lot.
Judge, I hope you are having an amazing day. I have presented Anri's Goofy Giant Burger. The last guy did a lot of talking earlier, but I don't think it's really important to mention the ingredients. Let the food do the talking, so sure. Have a bite.
Oh my god, again? A little dry, right? Oh, look at the juices on the side. Kind of camera, pan. See how messy it is? See how it's getting everywhere? See how it's just getting everywhere? It's just not good. I don't know, man, you took one small bite.
Yo, look, I want a bite too. I'm starving just looking at that.
It does look good, sir.
Damn. You're fucking that shit up, my boy.
Started off with the quesadilla. It wasn't bad at all. It was pretty delicious, pretty tasty. And then I had the burger. Now, I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. And I'm just gonna say, I go for the burger. The burger wins. And, you know, Peter, on the other hand, Chef Peter, tried to put this in my face as if I was gonna choose him. I really appreciate the gesture, but at the end of the day, the burger had more flavor, and I choose the burger.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding me? This is a joke, right? Like, I do this for a living. There's no way I lost. This is insane. I think we need to do this again with a new judge. Clearly, there was some favoritism here. I mean, like, you're Mexican. How are you not gonna like my quesadilla? Like, I'm sorry. This is insane. I want my money back. I want to be off this show, and this is, you know, I'm done.
The robot helped me very much today. My competitor, stupid vegan quesadilla. Yeah, man, Mexicans eat meat. Who would have known? They're gonna eat spinach quesadillas? Are you stupid? But yeah, I mean, it's not surprising at all. Leaky yolk, beautiful burger, crispy brioche bun. It doesn't get any better than that. Flavor's there too. I'm good with my seasoning. I'm very much well known to season things well. And as you can tell, my skin tone doesn't really give that off, but your boy's seasoned over here, you know what I'm saying? I'm not from Long Island.
All right, thanks for watching. I think I got kind of cucked over with the recipe because ChatGPT gave me this really boring quesadilla. But yeah, thanks for watching. Props to the winner.
Sore loser right over here, man. He had to choose a stupid vegetarian quesadilla when he could have asked the robot, hey, can you please make another recipe? Yeah, we have terrible audio in their studio. But thank you guys so much for watching. And me and Anthony are gonna have some fun later.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.